Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo how to repair Samsung Android earphone with Samsung Android 3.5mm jack wiring method. Please support us by click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, backup the HTTPS link. Step 01. Cut the jack. Then, use soldering iron to heat and clean the jack. Step 02. Twist deep green, left audio ground, gold, ground. 2 times ground wires and 1 times ground wire. Black, microphone. Green, left audio. Deep green, left audio ground. Red, right audio. Gold, ground. Step 03. Use lighter in your mouth. Burn out insulating coating by lighter, and stop the fire at correct location by your blowing mouth. Remark, no saliva. Step 04. Identify the cable. Gold, ground plus deep green, left audio ground, ground. Green, left audio. Red, right audio. Black, microphone. Step 05. Cut and remain 1.5mm burned out wire for soldering. Step 06. Use solder paste to heat the 1.5mm soldering points. Preparing for soldering. Step 07. Use soldering iron to make the wire heat enough to make the solder dissolve in wire. Remark, 1. You can add little solder paste to wire before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheated wire by long time. It will destructure insulator in part of wire. Cut out part of wire may need. Step 08. Use soldering iron to melt the solder, already dissolved on both wire and soldering point, to make them together in correct location. Samsung Android 3.5mm jack wiring. Black, microphone. 2 times ground, 1 wire. Red, right audio. Green, left audio. Step 09. Use hot glue. Please support us by click like, click subscribe, click alarm on new video, and copy, share, backup the HTTPS link. Click below. Amazon, https://Amazon/ to buy the product. Click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, Back up the HTTPS link.